And again, credits to Pastor Stetson and Natural Libre movie dialogue. My life is good, really good. It's fantastic. Maganda ang buhay ko, talagang maganda. Napakaganda. Whatever condition you have today, life is still a gift. Ano man ang kalagayan mo ngayon, regalo pa rin ang buhay. Maybe you are rich, maybe you are struggling, maybe you're waiting for a miracle. Maaring marami kang pera, maaring nahihirapan ka, maaring naghihintay ka ng himala o milagro. But you woke up this morning, that is already a blessing. Pero nagising ka ngayong umaga, isa na yon sa malaking pagpapala. Psychology teaches us that gratitude changes the way we see life. Tinuturo ng psikolohiya na binabago ng pasasalamat ang paraan ng pagtingin natin sa buhay. The Bible says, give thanks in all circumstances. Sabi sa Biblia, magpasalamat kayo sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Not all circumstances, but in all circumstances. Hindi dahil maganda ang lahat ng sitwasyon, kundi dahil may dahilan pa rin para magpasalamat. An old Chinese proverb says, the gem cannot be polished without friction. The gem cannot be polished without friction. So you can't have the best unless you underwent or you go through some trials. I remember when I was in high school, junior high, I won this coat. For them, it's very unique, it is unique. It is not from any philosopher at that time, but it's from my mom. And I use it because my mom told me since I was 5, I was in kindergarten, if you work hard, you will gain something good in return. So I would say it's also reaching for that star, for that goal. You have to go through this journey. May kasabihan tayo, hindi kikinang ang hiyas kung walang pagkikiskisan. Every challenge has a purpose. Bawat pagsubok ay may layunin. Every delay has a lesson. Bawat pagkabigo ay maaring maging bagong direksyon. So today, choose to see the blessings. There's always blessings. Every minute. Kaya ngayon, piliin mong makita ang mga biyaya. Choose to see the people who love you. Piliin mong makita ang mga tao nagmamahal sa iyo. Siguro hindi to matatapos ng 10 minutes or even half an hour kung bibilangin ko ang mga taong nagmamahal sa akin, ang tunay na nagmamahal sa akin. At hindi ko iisipin yung mga taong nagsasabi ng kasinungalingan or mga negative about me. So, I don't really respond anymore to the negative words or from other people. What I focus is the people that really cares for me. Choose to see how far God has already brought you. Piliin mo makita kung gaano ka nakalayo sa dinala ng Diyos. More than 22 years ago, na-depress ako kasi namatay ang lola ko. She was my world. I got depressed more than 22 years ago because my grandma passed away and she was my world. But you know what? God brought me here, and I do have a wonderful, blessed son. So if I gave up more than 22 years ago, I'm not going to experience having a son. But I did not, because my mom kept telling me, pray. And my relationship with God is stronger. And life may not be perfect. I always say that. And I cannot be perfect. You can't be perfect. It's only God who is perfect. Maaaring hindi perfecto ang buhay, but life is still good. Ngunit maganda pa rin ang buhay. And when you see it through grateful eyes, everything becomes fantastic. At kapag tinitignan mo ito na may pasasalamat, lahat ay nagiging napakaganda. Thank you for the script writer and for the director and thank you to Black Jack. Is it Black Jack? Jack Black. Thank you to Nacho Libre. It's fantastic. Today, count your blessings, not your problems. Your life is good, really good. It is fantastic. Ngayong araw na to, bilangin mo ang mga biyaya na natatanggap mo. Hindi ang mga problema mo. Maganda ang buhay mo. Talagang maganda. Napakaganda. Life is not perfect, but it is still beautiful. Every season has a purpose. Every challenge has a lesson. Every blessing is a reminder that God is still working. Today, choose gratitude. Today, choose joy. Today, choose to say, it is fantastic. I've been doing it for 4 days now. It is fantastic. Life is so good. Be joyful,